Hi, I'm Ruth Gitau, an AI and business consultant. I help business owners and organizations use AI, automation, data analytics, and AI risk and governance to solve real business challenges. Not really to implement technology for the sake of it, but to actually create measurable results. When I talk about AI risk and governance, I mean making sure AI is adapted responsibly, protecting data and privacy, managing risks, ensuring transparency and accountability, and making sure AI is being used safely and appropriately within the business. My work focuses on 5 things: identifying high-impact AI opportunities, automating repetitive processes to save time, using data to support smarter decisions, implementing responsible AI risk management and governance, and finally improving efficiency to drive sustainable growth. I don't just talk about AI in theory, I build with it. I created an AI-powered app called KDP Bookforge AI. That's an entire tool built from ground up, from features to payment processing, using AI as my technical co-founder. It's live today, generating real income, and it's proof of exactly what I help my clients do with their own businesses. And that is use AI to turn ideas, challenges, and opportunities into practical working solutions. If you're a business owner wondering where AI actually fits into what you do, you don't need technical knowledge to work with me. I break it down in simple, practical terms by understanding your goals, analyzing your workflows, and designing solutions that are scalable, responsible, and aligned with your business. When we talk, expect real conversation about your specific challenges. I'll help you identify where AI, automation, and data can create the most value while making sure the technology is implemented responsibly and practically. And if that sounds like what your business needs, let's talk. Book a call and let's find exactly where AI can move your business forward. Thank you.